Real estate math, plug it in. Learn fast with Fay's formulas. Fay, Rogers, Taylor. 7 elements of a valid deed. Antonym. Learn this slogan and this antonym. Was glad. Was glad when must be and must have were in the valid deed. Was glad. Write down on the state test WASGLAD for 7 elements of a valid deed. W. Writing. Statute of frauds states must be in writing. Must be in writing. A. Accurate legal description. Competent surveyor must be able to locate the property from the description. Accurate legal description. A. Must be signed by all grantors. S. Signed by all grantors. Grantor and spouse must sign even if only one spouse is named in the deed. G. Must be grantors and grantees must be identified. G. Grantees must be a real person, natural or artificial person, such as a corporation. Now look at that word, artificial. This is correct. It can be an artificial person, but cannot be a fictitious person. Don't get that mixed up. Artificial, it can be an artificial person, such as a corporation. Must have legal capacity. Grantor must have L, legal capacity. Legal existence. Be a lawful age 18 plus. Legal competent. Convey the title. Must have adequate words of conveyance. A. Adequate words of conveyance. In granting clause words such as convey, warrant, grant, bargain, sale, remise, release, quitclaim. These are the adequate words of conveyance. D. Delivered and accepted. Title is passed when deed is delivered and accepted voluntarily. Now let's ask some questions that can be on the test. Test question. In North Carolina, what is recognized as acceptance? Recordation of deed by grantee, buyer, or their agent is recognized as acceptance. What is recognized as acceptance? Recordation of deed. Test question. Effective date of transfer of title from the grantor to the grantee is what? What is the effective date? The date of the delivery of the deed itself is the effective date of transfer of title. Test question. Does a deed need to be acknowledged to be valid? No, a deed does not need to be acknowledged to be valid. Test question. Does a deed need to be acknowledged to be recorded? Yes, a deed needs to be acknowledged to be recorded. Did you see the difference? It does not have to be acknowledged to be valid, but it does have to be acknowledged to be recorded. Test question. What is called when you record the deed that provides to the world that you own the property? It is called constructive notice. Recording the deed provides constructive notice to the world that you own the property. Test question. Does the grantee sign the deed? Look at the word carefully. Grantee. No, the grantee does not sign the deed. Then who does? The grantor. Test question. Can a deed be valid that names as the grantee a fictitious person, a company that does not exist, or a society or a club that is not properly incorporated, or a dead person? No, this deed is considered void. Remember the acronym was glad. You can say I was glad, but the acronym is was glad. WASGLAD.